We're in the clown car getting ready to head off to number 6 attraction in Ventura County. It's called Serra Cross. Let's go check it out. Here we are. We made it to the parking area for, it's a Serra Cross, I think it's called. It's high above Ventura. And I parked down here because, you know, I don't want to be up with the crowds. And I don't really want to stand out as a tourist, but I'm not sure the camera, the car, and the selfie stick might be a giveaway. I don't know. What do you think? So I just met this guy named Merrill. He's wearing a cowboy hat, and I figured he might be a good guy to talk to about where to go and all that stuff. And I asked him if he wanted to be on YouTube, and he said, "Nah, you're better off without me." So he said, "This trail I haven't weed whacked in a while, but you know, it's not that bad. Look at it, it's not that bad." He gave me some good advice on where to get the best views, best pictures. So I'll put them in the mix. But yeah, this place is crazy. There's a lot of people here. They shut the roads down in downtown Ventura, so it was a little bit tough to get around. I don't know what this is. You guys know what this is? Somebody's got to know what that plant is. Looks like dill. I don't know. I don't think it's dill. We're getting closer to the cross. I see it up ahead. Ooh, there's a lot of people. There's a lot of people. I'm gonna have to go covert. Hey, wish me luck, guys. So I just met this couple, and they're my 6th subscriber, and they said that I remind them of Hugh Hauser. Hugh Hauser is no longer alive, but I'm gonna have to look that guy up, because I guess he traveled all over and made videos of stuff. But anyway, we're going off the beaten path there. I think you might be able to see the cross in the background there. Yeah, there it is. See it? Okay. I'll zoom in a little bit. Well, out of focus. Sorry about that. Ah, there's the cross. I guess the pier is closed from all the rains that they had. The piers got washed out. Whoa, what's this? Huh. High above. They said, be careful. It's California. There's people out there. They'll take your stuff. So I gotta be sneaky. I gotta be a stealth tourist. Biggest complaints about Camarillo is everything's paved. All the concrete, all the trails are all either asphalt or concrete, and there's really nowhere to walk without walking on concrete. Well, I think I found a really good place here for hiking. There's a guy with an e-bike. Just came up at the top. Yeah, it's a good way to get up here. And so we can hike. We can hike all the way up there and all the way down there. So check it out. Yes, I didn't know this when I came here, but if you keep hiking up from the cross, you end up in the Ventura Botanical Gardens. I think it's closed. Oh, there's 2 people. I don't know. I don't know if I should be here. It's kind of nice. It's got trails everywhere and pretty rock sculptures and chairs. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah, real nice. I gotta make a video of my selfie stick here. Show you guys how I made it. Well, it looks like I've reached the end of the line here. No more hiking past this point. Such a shame. But there's a convenient hole in the fence if you should change your mind. And then a nice little ledge bench if you want to get up and take some pictures. All right, time to go back. Yeah, so check this out. I just happened to notice these marks in the hillside, and it looks like that the ground slipped away in a landslide. And I just have to wonder where it ended up. And I looked down, and there's houses down there, like with yards and stuff, and kids playing, and that's not focusing. And yeah, we hear about all these mudslides and landslides, and I guess this is where it happens. Holy smokes! I guess that's the price you pay for living here. Look at that, crazy. Here I am, going across. Check it out. I was thinking about a name for my channel because, you know, having your own name is kind of silly. It's hard for people to find it, they spell your name wrong. So I don't know, what's a good name? What do you think? I was thinking like Stealth Tourist, where you walk around in a sherbet colored golf shirt with, you know, a wide brim straw hat and cheap sunglasses and a big camera. What do you think? Stealth Tourist? Maybe Stealth Hiker. There's some stories I got, I can tell you. Protect the innocent that changed your name. Locations, let's just say McCarthy, Kennecott. Stealth Hiker. I just came across this guy and I saw him before he saw me, and he was worried that I actually videotaped him, you know, relieving himself. And I says, don't worry, man, I was just getting a picture of Oxnard and video of Oxnard and Ventura in the sunlight. It's okay. No, I think I got it. When I grow up, I want to be a YouTuber.